I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and just showing a guy, we're working on a deck here in southern New Jersey, and we're talking about the technique of rinsing. Okay, so we've already put our stripper on here, we're going to remove the stain, but one of the things people don't think of is actually keeping the same distance apart, whether you're working on a fence or a deck or whatever it is. You want the same distance apart. You don't want to be doing something like this, and hopefully you guys hear me pretty well, but his sitting 6 to 12 inches away from the wood, and we do that here, and they get to the bottom and you're 2 feet away. You're going to have different results. So what you want to do is you got to get the knees bending and you want to keep it the same distance apart. So they're doing it like this. Kind of bending down, moving your arms up and down. So you're the same distance apart. Because everything about the wood, when you do it, is being even and doing the same thing. Whether it's pressure washing and rinsing and keeping the same distance, whether you're staining, you got 2 people working on it, one can't be putting on a heavier coat than another, one can't be putting on one heavy coat, another one putting 2 wet on wet coats. Everything has to be the same. So you don't want to start out close and then not do this. You really want to be bending down, but keeping it the same distance apart. And that's another key to having a nice end result, an optimal result. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and a good tip for the day. Thank you for watching the channel.